Black diamonds, also known as carbonado, are mysterious and highly valuable gemstones. Because of their rarity and unusual appearance, many imitations exist in the market. If you own a black stone and want to know if it is a genuine diamond, there is a simple test you can try at home: the scratch test. The scratch test method. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth, ranking 10 on the Mohs scale of hardness. This means that a real diamond can scratch almost any other surface, especially glass, without being damaged itself. Steps to follow. 1. Find a piece of ordinary glass or a small mirror. 2. Hold your black diamond firmly. 3. Gently scratch the surface of the glass with the stone. 4. Observe the result. If the stone leaves a clear scratch on the glass but remains unharmed, it is most likely a real black diamond. If it does not scratch the glass or shows signs of damage, it is probably a fake. Important notes: be careful not to hurt yourself or shatter the glass. This method gives a strong indication, but does not replace professional testing. For 100% certainty, you can always consult a gemologist. Conclusion: with just this one simple test, you can get a reliable idea of whether your black diamond is real or fake. Genuine black diamonds will scratch glass effortlessly while remaining intact, proving their unmatched hardness.